So what can you do when your internet is out and everything in your home is internet connected? Okay, if you got a smart home like I do, you already know all that stuff runs off your internet. It needs Wi-Fi connection for the stuff to work. Now, if somebody cut your lifeline to the internet, I'm showing you these pictures right now where somebody actually cut my line and now they have to lay down a new line. That's why you see all these flags in the grass. I don't know what happened. Somebody just decided to cut my line for no reason at all. I can't explain it. So the Chard guy came out and he laid down a new line. Now they have to bury a new line for me, so hopefully that won't happen again. But what I want to talk about in this video is, what do you do in case your Wi-Fi connected home or smart home has all these devices that runs off the internet, needs internet to actually work? How do you prevent from going internet crippled? First off, I got the U-Hub. The U-Hub controls all my lights. Lights in the bedroom, lights in the living room, lights outside, lights in the studio here that I'm in, lights everywhere. And that needs, like I said, Wi-Fi connection. So when I ask my Amazon Echo to turn on the lights in whatever room it is and to dim it and all the other stuff, she responds and the light activates. But I can't do that when the internet is out because she don't respond. She can't. Because that device only responds when it's connected to the internet. So therefore, it's just a big microphone and speaker. There's nothing in there that would make it actually work without being internet connected. Because the brains of the Amazon Echo is at Amazon. That's where the servers are. When you speak something, it goes all the way over there. She translates it, bring it back, and perform that. But she do it in a split seconds. That's why it seems like it's local, but it's not. Anyway, that's enough lesson on that. The U-Lights, like I said, comes with a hub that works with or without internet. So all you need is one of these switches. So make sure you supply yourself with one of these, at least in each room. Or you can get the Lutron switches too and connect them to your bulb. Once you have one of these, you can control the light regardless if you have the internet connection or not. So that will prevent you from trying to figure out how to turn your lights on when there's no internet. Now, if you have a Nest system, right, and you know how convenient it is to go on the app and adjust the thermostat, or even tell your Amazon Echo to adjust the temperature. It's a cool feeling, especially when you're laying in the bed and you don't feel like getting up. But that feature is now disabled. You can't do that anymore. But there, you're not crippled either. You have to do a little legwork. And what I mean by you'd have to get up and walk down to the thermostat, turn it to the temperature you wanted, and it will still work. So just because there's no internet doesn't mean that the thermostat is not going to work. And if you have an alarm system that works through the internet also, yes, it might not be able to send out calls, but most of these alarm systems now, these DIY alarm system, has a cell backup. So if you have the plan, it actually will make that call out for you whether you have internet or not. That's the fallback feature. Now, if you don't have the professional monitoring, well, at least the alarm will still sound. It's not going to not work because there's no internet. It just won't send you any notification. But it will still work and scare the burglars off as soon as it goes off. So there again, you're not crippled on that end. So these are the few things I just want to point out to you. If you decide to go with your smart home, right, you need to make sure you have a redundant system built in to fall back on in case the internet goes out. If the power goes out, then you don't have to worry about it because nothing's going to work anyway. But with the internet being out now, it, like I say, it cripples you where you can't do too much. And even if you don't buy these remote switches, if you don't buy these switches, it's okay because the light switch still will turn those lights on. You'd have to flick it off and on, but the light will still come on. And if you really want to go all out, you can go buy a Wi-Fi hotspot and have it on hand as a backup. But then again, how often is your internet going to be out where you can justify that spending it every month, especially if you're not using it until something goes wrong? I mean, I wouldn't do that. And 9 times out of 10, your internet would probably be out for 1, maybe 2 days. That's how mine was. The first day it was out, I had to call them. The next day they came to fix it. So I wasn't at home all the time where it was holding me back. But if you're a person that runs business from home, then you still have to wait till the service guy comes out and fix it. And it all depends on what time of the day it happens also. But another thing you can use, like if you need to do some work, say on your laptop or in your computer, you might have one of those data plans with unlimited data. If you got a hotspot feature on your phone, you turn on your hotspot, connect to it and you can continue working. Now, one last tip about the internet being out as far as your TV, your entertainment. Now, I have an antenna connected to all of my TV so I can pick up local channels. I don't have cable, but I use a lot of apps I use to watch TV and movies and stuff like that, like Netflix and Crackle and stuff like that, where I can actually watch some form of entertainment, I should say. But with the internet being out, now I can't do that stuff anymore. But I got the good old antenna now connected to the TV where I can watch those local channels. It might not be some great and latest stuff on TV, but guess what? It's something to watch instead of nothing at all. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you. Your internet is going to go down every now and then. And if you have a Wi-Fi connected home or a smart home where everything runs off the Wi-Fi system, then remember, you got to have some type of redundant system built in to still keep going even when you get internet crippled. All right? Okay, so if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave your comments down there. I try to respond to every comment that everybody sent me. Okay, so thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.